How to fix crashes in Epic Games. So crashes may occur if there are corrupted files in your game, and to fix that, what you can do is just open up your Epic Games launcher, then go to library. Once you're there, just simply hover to the game that you want to fix. Then click on the three dot icon. Then click on manage. Once you've clicked on manage, just simply click on the verify files right here. So at the right side, it says verify. Simply click on that and wait for it to verify and stuff. And once no error has occurred, that means that the game might have been fixed, or it might have replaced the corrupted files. But since there are no corrupted files, it didn't show any error or installing loading right there. So when I do it again, as you can see, go to manage, verify. So it's just queued and verifying, and it's done, which basically means that the game itself has no problems. And that's how I basically fix crashes in Epic Games.